let's make what I call the Far North cable car. To make this drink, we're gonna start by rimming the glass. I'm not very good at this. I've got a little setup here. I've got a coupe. I'm gonna dip that, there's water. I don't know if you can see the water in there. Dip that in the water. And then I'm gonna run this through cinnamon sugar. And this is, their proportions for cinnamon sugar is 2:1 sugar to cinnamon. And I do have a short on how to make cinnamon syrup. Feel free, that'll be linked down below too if you want to check that out. Now that that's rimmed, I'm going to set it aside. I'm going to set these aside. The first thing I'm going to add to my shaker is the Ålander spiced rum. I'm going to put 1.5 ounces, which is 45 milliliters, of this into the shaker. 3/4 of an ounce of Grand Marnier. 3/4 of an ounce is 22.5 milliliters. 1 ounce of lemon juice. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. And 3/4 of an ounce of turbinado sugar syrup. This is a 1:1. If you don't have turbinado sugar, you can use a light brown sugar instead. 3/4 of an ounce? Half an ounce. Half an ounce is 15 milliliters. And I do make all my own syrups. The recipe for this will be in the description down below. Half an ounce, 15 milliliters. Add some ice. And give it a shake. I'm going to double strain this, so that means I need my other strainer. I'll be right back. Glass, strainer, shaker. Double strain into your coupe. And the garnish. Other than the rim on the glass, we need a twist of orange. Do you go vertically or do you go horizontally? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm going vertically today. Give it an expression. And I'm not going to wipe it because that'd take off the cinnamon sugar. I'm just going to drop it in. And there you have it. A Far North cable car. Drink with good spirits.